Hi everyone. I wanted to come on and do a quick video of me pulling out my twists. They looked so well defined that I wanted to just show you how my twist out came. This is a quick twist out that I did with my flaxseed gel and my Moisturich cream. Okay, I wanted to get some definition for a video shoot I'm going to be doing. So this is me unraveling it. I'm sometimes not too gentle. So especially if I'm in a rush. But here it is. Look at that definition. And that's all it took. 2 ingredients. Look at that. Look. I just couldn't let the opportunity pass me by to show you. Look at that. Look. And my hair has grown. Oh, this is the downfall of going too fast. Right? Okay, let me put this one down. And I did not need to, see my hands is already moisturized. Didn't need to do anything. Didn't need to add anything because it's already in my hair. From the Moisturich. Look at that. Look at that. Bouncy. So I'm going to go through and finish it up. This is how I do like a rope twist to add to even more to the definition. So this is it. You can tell it's well moisturized. See how bouncy that is? And I don't have to do much work to separate it. That's the flaxseed gel, guys. And my Moisturich conditioning cream. You just need those 2 bad boys and you're good to go. So thank you so much. I'm going to continue pulling this out and get myself together for my video shoot. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I love you guys. And thanks again for watching another video of Justeliving Naturals. Bye for now.